Alright, what's up guys, it's your boy here. And we got another box here today. Let's take a look at what's inside this beautiful box here, because I love boxes. Matter of fact, I got too many boxes. I gotta get rid of some of these boxes. What we have here today is something from Eventuri. And really nice here. Came with an instruction manual how to set this thing up. But now we need to take it out of the box. So let's see. Okay. We're just going to take a look at the box here. Hold that for a second. Alright, so box inside of another box. Now this is cheating because, it's not even Christmas yet, and I'm opening boxes. Okay, always you just had something and okay, take a look at this right here. Oh yeah. That's a really pretty black box there. Just gonna do a quick inspection here. Okay, there we go. Just open here. Got quite a few things in here. Air cushion here. Oh wow. This main piece here. Oh, that's real pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous right there. Oh, that's beautiful. The main piece there. Probably some boxes, some components. I'm not even going to open that right now. More likely, the air filter here. Air filter tubing. Unwrapping. Oh, that's a beautiful tube right there. Have a look at that. Oh, that's real nice. Wrap that up. And I'm guessing this is the secondary scoop. Some sort of attachment on here. Okay, yeah, that looks like it's going to be the other scoop there. And there's one more piece here. Ooh, another nice little piece of carbon there. Okay. Oh, you people who love carbon, you know how I feel right now. Oh, just some more stickers and stuff here. And the last piece. Another scoop here. I'm not seeing the actual filter piece here. Let's get rid of all this stuff. Get it out the way. Okay. So that's what came in the box. Move the box out of here. And let's take a look at everything. I like to get down on the floor when I do this. That's 1 and 2 and 3 tube there. And this piece right there. Alright, there we go. So, this is what it looks like coming out of the box. Again, the carbon pieces are nice. Ah, now I know what's in this box. And this box is the filter. There's some moving parts in there too. Again, you can see the inside of the tube right there. Top of the tube with the Eventuri mark right there. Okay, let's be real gentle and careful with this. And the instruction manual. Instruction manual there. Well, looks like we're good to go. So that's what it's going to look like. Once we put it on, we are going to be sucking air. And that's it. The Eventuri Carbon Air Intake for Honda FK8 Civic Type R. Get yours as soon as you can.